Hey guys, it's Miss Collins here. I wanted to talk to you today about the least common denominator, which we have to use to make adding and subtracting fractions easier on our brains because fractions aren't always easy. So let's make it easier on ourselves. A least common denominator, it's a common denominator except for it's the smallest one possible. So I have two numbers here that I could multiply together and get a common denominator. But it's not the least one, it's not the smallest one. You could do it this way, and you're just going to have more work to do at the end when you're reducing your fraction. But if you do the least common denominator, it'll be a little bit easier on your brain when we get to the end. So our least common denominator here is 18. The easiest way to find that is to list our multiples. So I'll start with 9. I always list 5. I don't know, I just like the number 5. So we do 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. And then I'll do multiples for 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, oh my, and 30. And I'll see that we have 18 in common. That is our least common denominator or our least common multiple. So I would then change 4/9 and 5/6 so that the denominator is 18 on the bottom. So I like to set it up like this. 4/9 times something gives me something over 18. Well, I know 9 times 2 gives me 18. So then I'm going to multiply the 4 by 2, multiply straight across, and I get 8/18. Then I have 5/6 times something over something gives me something over 18. I know 6 times 3 gives me 18. So then I have 5 times 3 gives me 15. Now I have the same denominator and I'm good to add. So 8 over 18 plus 15 over 18 gives me 23 over 18. We could stop there, but that's not in simplest form. And in 5th grade, we put everything in simplest form. So my way of making my improper fraction a mixed number is I take my numerator, I divide it by my denominator. It's going to go in one time. I'll subtract that. So then my new answer is 1 5/18. A little tricky, but a quick review. And remember, if you believe it, you can do it. Bye.